Please stand by. The President of the United States will be speaking all stations shortly.
The following message is transmitted at the request of myself, the United States Police Department, and the United States Government. This is not a test. I say it again, this is not a test. To the people who are listening to this alert, please do not drink the shake, and seek shelter. At 7:23 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, many people who have been drinking the Grimace shake for the past days have been poisoned. Not only that, but in the next hour, you turn into purple zombie-like creatures. The following of the purple zombie is purple skin, bloody eyes, scratched up clothing, and sharp teeth and fingernails. To anyone who is listening to this again, like I said, if you are still alive and have not drinking the Grimace shake, we advise you all to seek immediate shelter. Grab perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. If you choose not to shelter, you will face certain death. I hope these instructions help you. Good luck, survivors, and God bless the United States of America.